Next up is discussion of a request from Councilor Paul regarding solicitation of a new law firm. Councilor Paul.
Thank you. I brought this up because it's been brought up to me a few times by different people, but it's good business to always evaluate our vendors and who we're using, and are they fulfilling what we want in a timely fashion? Are they affordable? What are we getting from them? It's good to evaluate it and to look what's out there. I'm not saying we're going to change. We may not change, but it's a good policy. Even most businesses will look at, if they have accountants every couple of years, maybe get a new one. Or, just go out there and see if they're getting the best price for the best goods. And I think that's important. I mean, do we need a ginormous law firm, or do we need something small like the school has? The school has Gordon Graham. It's just a small firm. Do we, I don't know. We don't know this till we start entering into examining what we're looking for. Will a smaller firm react quicker? Will a different firm, be able to get responses quicker? It was something I heard a lot in planning. Was it took a long time for the legal to get back to them, which drags things out, which causes other issues in and of itself. So it's being put out there because residents have asked me to. I think it's good business policy, good government to look at what we're doing, why we're doing it, and who we're using. It may not change, and it may change. I have no idea. That was my intent for putting this on here.
Any question from the council?
So I do agree that it is good to look at vendors every now and again, make sure you're getting the best deal. The only concern I have, and I'd just like to propose that we change the motion, I'd just like a lighter touch to this than going full down the road of creating a new process and doing this. I'd just like us to direct the town manager to kind of just take a look out there and come back to us with some information on what some of the available options and costs are, instead of just creating a full process, everything else. Because we may see that all the options aren't worth going down the full RFQ process. So I think it's good to take a look at this. I just don't want a heavy touch on it. I want a lighter. And if he comes back and it looks like there is some law firms that, hey, there might be something here, then we can go the rest of the way down the road.
Okay.
And I will say our law firm that we are currently with has been able to provide us a very good service for the time that we've had them. And what's beneficial is that they have lawyers that specialize in various different departments or different subjects. So it's not like having an attorney that, we only use for one thing, but then, all of a sudden we have something that may come up on water or something else with the state or something else that land use wise. And having a law firm that has different specialties that their attorneys can focus on, we can pull from them when we need to.
No, I agree. Like I said, I don't know what the result will be, but if you don't look, you don't know. And it keeps them on their toes, too, in what they're offering us.
And maybe we get a better price.
Exactly. Or some sort of service that they didn't offer before that they'll offer for free or something.
So I don't know how to precisely word this motion since it's not written out, but more or less I'm going to move that the council directs the town manager to just come back with us with some potential options as far as what we could look at for law firms and what the cost would be on that, and then we can review further as a council.
I have a motion from Sean.
I'll second it.
A second from Deb. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Chair votes in the affirmative.